How purpose-driven companies are redefining the future of business. Abstract. The traditional business focus on profit maximization is giving way to a transformative paradigm where companies increasingly prioritize purpose over profits. This emerging model positions businesses as agents of positive societal change while maintaining financial sustainability, effectively redefining corporate social responsibility expectations. Drawing on robust research evidence, this article demonstrates how purpose-driven approaches yield compelling benefits: enhanced financial performance through stakeholder alignment, accelerated innovation capacity by inspiring creative problem-solving, and strengthened organizational culture with measurably higher employee engagement and retention. Case studies from industry pioneers like Patagonia, Toyota, and L'Oréal illustrate practical applications of purpose-centered strategies, showcasing how companies embed purpose into their operational DNA through leadership alignment, mission-focused recruitment, purpose-linked compensation structures, innovation incubators, stakeholder oversight mechanisms, and transparent impact reporting. As stakeholder capitalism gains momentum globally, purpose-driven businesses represent a future-ready model that satisfies evolving workforce expectations, meets growing consumer demands for ethical business practices, addresses regulatory pressures, and delivers sustainable competitive advantages through enhanced adaptability and resilience in rapidly changing markets. Business has traditionally focused on the bottom line, generating profits for stakeholders through product sales and returns on investment. However, an emerging paradigm shift is seeing more and more companies place purpose ahead of profits. Purpose-driven companies aim to solve societal problems or make a positive impact through their products and services, while still maintaining financial viability. This new business model is redefining expectations for corporate social responsibility and changing how companies approach strategies, culture, and measurement of success. By prioritizing purpose and addressing stakeholder needs beyond shareholders alone, purpose-driven businesses are providing a sustainable model for the future. Today, we will explore the research supporting a purpose-driven approach and examine how real organizations are applying purpose-focused principles in innovative ways. Research foundations of purpose-driven approaches. A growing body of research offers foundational support for the purpose-driven business model. Studies have shown that purpose positively influences financial performance, employee engagement, and other key metrics. Hoffman et al. 2020. Millii, 2020. Customers, especially younger generations, also increasingly loyal to brands that demonstrate social responsibility and make the world better through their operations. Williams et al. 2017. EY, 2018. Purpose-aligned stakeholder interests. Research by the Harvard Business Review found that companies focused on a higher purpose beyond profits enjoyed stronger long-term stock performance compared to peers, as purpose united stakeholders around shared societal goals. Eccles and Klemenko. 2019. This demonstrated how purpose can create value by aligning interests between shareholders seeking returns and other stakeholders. Purpose drives innovation. Academics have also linked purpose to enhanced innovation capacity within organizations. Freeman et al. 2020. Having a higher purpose motivates employees to think creatively about new solutions that solve stakeholder problems. It can help companies stay ahead of disruption by continually innovating to better address societal needs. Purpose improves culture and engagement. Studies show purpose-driven cultures experience lower employee turnover and higher levels of employee commitment. Effort and discretionary effort. Jong et al. 2020. Dick et al. 2021. When employees feel their work has meaning beyond a paycheck, they report higher job satisfaction and motivation to contribute their best ideas and talents. This research foundation establishes purpose as a viable business strategy that creates shared value for all stakeholders in sustainable, Long-term ways. The following sections will examine real-world applications of purpose. Purpose in action. Industry examples: Patagonia. Purpose at the core in apparel, founded in 1973. Outdoor apparel company Patagonia put environmental sustainability and activism at the core of its business model from the start. Patagonia aims to build the best product, cause no unnecessary harm, and use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. Patagonia. 2021. Beyond producing ethically sourced, durable garments, Patagonia invests 1% of annual sales back into grassroots environmental groups and has led efforts like the "Don't Buy This Jacket" campaign, encouraging consumerism reduction. Patagonia's purpose-driven focus on the environment has resonated with customers and employees. The privately held company reports sales of over $1 billion annually while maintaining a strong employer brand. It frequently tops best places to work lists. Patagonia shows how purpose can enhance both financial success and positive social impact within an industry. Toyota. Mobility for all through purpose. Toyota's business vision statement puts mobility for all at the core of its purpose. Toyota. 2022a. The automaker aims to help communities through accessible transportation solutions. Toyota invests in universal design principles to make vehicles barrier-free. Develops crowd-powered ride-sharing services to expand access, and partners with non-profits on wheelchair-accessible vehicle programs. Toyota. 2022b. Toyota's focus on democratizing mobility through universal access extends beyond selling cars. The company conducts research on robotics, driver assistance, and accessibility technologies that could empower people worldwide, from elderly drivers to those with disabilities. This higher purpose motivates Toyota's long-term innovation agenda for a more inclusive transportation future. L'Oréal. Beauty for all through science. As the world's largest beauty company, L'Oréal seeks to use science-based products and research to help all people embrace their individual beauty and boost self-esteem. L'Oréal. 2021. The company invests over €900 million annually in R&D initiatives focused on skin care, color cosmetics, hair care, and other areas to develop products safe and effective for diverse skin and hair types of all ethnicities and genders globally. Beyond selling products, L'Oréal works with partner dermatologists and trichologists, hair specialists, to shed light on issues like skin cancer, hair loss, and aging. Its purpose extends to empowering women through science, jobs, and philanthropy initiatives. L'Oréal draws on its purpose as a leader in scientific discovery to address both industry advancements and broader societal issues around beauty standards and well-being. These real examples demonstrate how industry leaders are applying purpose to drive innovation, expand markets, enhance mission alignment, and create shared value through products and community initiatives relevant to their expertise and stakeholders. Their higher purposes have helped companies stay on the leading edge and redefine expectations within entire industries. Embedding purpose into organizational culture and strategy beyond branding and communications. Purpose must permeate a company's culture and strategy to achieve full impact. Leading purpose-driven enterprises use practices like the following to operationalize their missions: leadership alignment. CEOs play a catalytic role in aligning leaders, employees, and key decisions with the organizational purpose. Pless et al. 2012. Leaders at companies like Starbucks live the purpose through communications, decision-making based on shared values, and leading by example. Recruitment and onboarding. Many purpose-driven firms market their missions prominently to attract like-minded talent seeking more than a paycheck. Onboarding covers the purpose's cultural relevance and priorities. Dick et al. 2021. Compensation and goals. Some link executive bonuses, employee goals, and reviews to metrics like customer, community impact. Innovation for social good, diversity recruitment and volunteering, not just profits, Millie. 2020. This keeps purpose a daily priority. Skunkworks and venturing. Companies support internal purpose-driven entrepreneurship through boot camps, seed funding and spin-offs to develop products tackling stakeholder issues, Freeman et al. 2020. Anthropic uses this model in AI safety ventures. Stakeholder oversight. Firms like Danone enshrine purpose protection through a distinct, corporate stakeholder committee overseeing progress against social mandates, Danone. 2021. This extends governance beyond shareholders alone. Impact reporting. Annual purpose-focused reporting supplements financial updates, measuring engagement, societal outcomes, and progress innovating for stakeholders, Eccles and Klemenko. 2019. This keeps purpose transparent and accountable. Proactively cultivating purpose from leadership to products keeps a company's mission vibrant for long-term adaptability and stakeholder value. Combined with research-backed practices, embedding purpose is key. Conclusion: leadership for the future with demands for stakeholder capitalism rising globally from workforces. Customers and governments, businesses can no longer operate sustainably focusing only on profits. Customers increasingly expect the brands they support to make the world better through business. Workforces seek more fulfillment than a paycheck alone can provide. Governments are legislating action on societal issues like climate change that require private sector solutions. As purpose-driven models demonstrate how to meet these growing expectations, they represent a future-ready paradigm for business success. Financially viable companies united around shared societal goals can innovate to solve stakeholder challenges in a rapidly shifting environment. They attract mission-driven talent and loyal customers wanting to support missions they care about. Their adaptability gives purpose-driven enterprises an edge for long-term resilience. For leadership, this means evolving beyond short-term profit prioritization to unite all parts of the business model around a clearly defined, impactful purpose. It requires gaining skills in stakeholder governance and impact measurement alongside financial oversight. Most critically, leaders must authentically drive the cultural change to embed purpose into daily choices and decision frameworks across the organization. As the research and industry examples profiled here illustrate, those embracing purpose are indeed redefining expectations and standards of the future. They demonstrate business need not be solely about outcomes, but also how outcomes are achieved. In the process, purpose-driven companies are raising the bar for responsible, sustainable and adaptive leadership capable of solving both business and societal problems for generations to come. Their example signals a thriving model not just for this time, but wherever business must operate in future decades of disruption and growing stakeholder demands.